So in this video we're going to look at a monthly CPR scan for stocks which are bearish. Okay, so that basically means the all the 3 CPR has to be down stepping, right, stepping down. Okay, so we are only looking for stocks below 10. Okay, let's take this out. I want monthly. Okay, I want daily. Okay, now so this is basically indicator which can filter stocks has to be below all these moving averages. These are basically the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, it has to be below. So let's do a scan. So I want to first sort by to volume. Okay, these are low price stocks. So let me put a filter stock. I want about $10. Okay, I want low price stocks. Okay, let's sort by volume. Okay, UPST. ST is, I want to see put sizzle and volume. Okay, so this one IRPT fits the bill. So you can see a volume high plus also put sizzle also high. Okay, IRBT. Okay, you can see a downtrending stock. Okay, okay, so you can see all negative, 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 negative. Okay, now TTT. TTT does not fit the bill. Okay, it's kind of down, but not really. Okay, not very good setups. It says SAVA. It's the same. See, downtrending, downtrending, downtrending. It's a good setup. Okay, you see a next candle appear like this, which has only lower wick but no upper wick. You can take the trade at 3 p.m. today. Okay, scan. Roku. Okay, next one is CRWD. CRWD has 3 CPR down, but you want to make sure the candle opens below. Okay, let's look at some more. AFRM. Not a good setup. Okay, put call ratio. I want to look at HLF. Good setup. LITE. Okay, not good one. So I would say IRBT, TTD, SAVA, CRWD. Okay, these are the good ones. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. We do provide the scanner and indicators for free. Please let me know if you need them. Thank you.